Hello, it's a rather chilly Tuesday the 7th. I'm FxPlew, but at least it's not raining for the market brief. So, the UK growth is an issue and inflation remains a challenge, while the more hopeful forecasts may have growth at around 1.7% at year end, and indeed coupled with stronger consumer confidence. In the near term, we may see a shallow recession in H1, and of course the Bank of England had to leave rates on hold in December. And lest we forget, we do have a rather inexperienced Chancellor at the tiller. She's not exactly well versed in making real world decisions to drive economic growth, is she? The British Chambers of Commerce have been on. They have reported that British companies are about the gloomiest since Liz Truss trashed the economy, citing tax plans as the main reason. Confidence for the year ahead is the lowest seen since late 2022. Investment plans are being cut and prices will probably need to rise. And crikey, we're not even reached Blue Monday yet. But hey, at least sterling bounced back yesterday. A little uncertainty in the market drove a bit of volatility, and we managed to recover to around 125.50 against the dollar. Go on the pound. Over in the US, there is almost a feeling of denial about Trump's tariff plans. Main trading partners like China, Canada and Mexico have all rather sat on their hands so far. But don't forget, dear old Donald is famed for his fruity rhetoric, and some of his more expansive threats have not always come to fruition. However, as the inauguration moves closer, aides are working on proposals that should be ready for adoption as early as month end. And don't forget, Canada's PM, Justin Trudeau, resigned yesterday. Yes, there were growing pressures within his party, but he also fears the likely adoption of tariffs will contribute to Canada's economic decline. True dat, Trudeau. South of the border, we have a week jam-packed with economic data and speeches from Fed officials. Today's services PMI is expected at 53, up from 52.1 in November. Markets will be closed on Thursday as a day of remembrance for President Jimmy Carter, and then we'll bounce back for the sweepstake on Non-Farm Friday. Mark it in your diary and do it for Jimbo. It's what he would have wanted. Back tomorrow. Toodaloo.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.